Menteri Rangba Kejela Kurat Sangma hadin ba kalakut kejing penku buram yak sorkar na kindongelam jong ka Meghalaya SSA School Association bat ka Meghalaya for Teachers Association katba udang yat lenti berlej pai shalayeng ula yoi yakinong hikai ki bayaki bat ka bayeng bara plakat hasurok jayaw hagaba nagaliang jongu ulahiar nakali ban yakendu yaki ha kejing keren bat kinongelam jong ka union Menteri Rangba ula ong yaki ba unsa khot yakren yaki hagabai dei bat kejing ka ba maki ki yakendu.
Come. Please tell me, what happened?
So we are from vocational education.
Let's stay. Tell me.
So I'm the president of the union.
So what's the issue?
Our issue is that our demands are still pending. Yeah. We are from vocational education.
Do you have any papers? Does Commissioner Secretary and Education Minister aware about
We have already submitted from 2026. From this year we started, but we haven't.
Let me go through this. I'm not aware. So many issues are there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm not very aware of much of it. I'll get back to you. Your contact number is here?
Yes, sir. This one.
Yeah. Okay. I'll try to work. We try to help as much as possible, whatever is within the limits.
Yes, sir.
No? I'll do my best.
Sir,
Okay. Bye. See you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ya,